大家好，我是马当路，一个非常热爱上海的人。我非常善于用中英文双语来分享故事。明天很可能就要降息了，今天我们去到华尔街，感受一下市场的脉动。Hi, everyone. Today, I want to take you inside Wall Street. 今天我想带你走进华尔街的内部，where traders are preparing for tomorrow's Federal Reserve meeting, 交易员在为明天的美联储会议做准备 which could influence the entire market. 最近市场气氛有点紧张，但美国经济表现依然强劲。The market feels tense, 市场感觉紧张。But the U.S. economy shows resilience, 但是美国经济展现出韧性。Retail sales in August rose 0.6%, above the expected 0.2%, marking 3 consecutive months of growth. 零售销售环比增长 0.6%， 高于预期 0.2%， 连续3个月保持增长。大家都在讨论美联储可能降息的事情。People are already talking about a potential Fed rate cut. 大家都在讨论美联储可能降息。Futures markets have fully priced in at least a 25 basis point cut. 期货市场已经完全计入至少25 basis point 的降息 and historically rate cuts near market highs often trigger strong single-day rallies. 历史上在股市高位降息往往会带来单日大幅上涨。不过短期波动不可避免，投资者要保持谨慎。Short-term fluctuations are normal. 短期波动是正常现象。Often influenced by seasonal factors and closing of corporate buyback windows, 通常受季节性因素和企业熬力够长口干比影响。The real risk is overconfidence. 真正的风险是投资者过度自信。目前市场最强的推动力是 AI 热潮。AI is currently the biggest market driver. 目前市场最强的推动力是 AI 热潮。In the past 5 months, the stock indices surged 35%好，过去5个月股指上涨了 35%, one of the fastest rallies in 20 years, second only to 2008 financial crisis and 2020 pandemic rebound. 这是20年来最快的行情之一，仅次于2008年金融危机和2020年疫情反弹。美元贬值也是推动股市的重要因素。The declining U.S. dollar also boosts the stock market. 美元贬值同样推动股市。A weaker dollar attracts overseas investment, reduces demand for treasury bonds. 美元弱吸引海外资金，同时降低对美债需求 and increases the value of foreign revenue for multinational companies. 提升跨国公司额外收入，计算出美元的价值。但是市场估值已经很高，需要注意潜在风险。Valuations are extremely high. 估值已经非常高。The S&P 500 7-year forward PE is 37.5 times. 标普500 7年期市盈率达到 37.5 倍, ranking third historically, only behind the 2000 dot-com bubble and 2021 pandemic peak. 历史第三高，仅次于2000金网泡沫和2021疫情风值。Even AI leaders acknowledge a bubble exists. 即使是 AI 引进人物也承认存在泡沫 meaning short-term losses are possible for some investors, 意味着短期内部分投资者可能亏损。泡沫和技术创新常常共存，这很正常。Bubbles and innovation often coexist. 泡沫和技术创新常常共存。As Soros said, a bubble is built on a solid real foundation. 索罗斯说过，泡沫有坚实的现实基础。Recognizing early signs allows you to benefit, but exiting before it bursts is crucial. 及早发现可以获利，但在泡沫破裂前退出非常关键。现在资金面非常乐观，投资者情绪高涨。Investor sentiment is at its peak. 投资者情绪高涨。Cash levels have dropped to 3.9%, the lowest in 10 years. 现金水平降至 3.9% 后，创10年新低。Although many admit stocks are overvalued, 虽然很多人承认股票被高估 funds remain overweight in U.S. tech banking and healthcare, 仍然超配美股科技银行和医疗板块 while reducing exposure to Europe and emerging markets, 同时降低欧洲和新兴市场的投资比重。科技股和小盘股表现活跃，涨势引人注目。Tech giants and small-cap stocks are thriving, 科技巨头和小盘股表现活跃。BBAI jumped 16% on AI developments. BBAI in AI fajan dajan 16%. Tesla continues to rise as Elon Musk announces AI humanoid car plans. Tesla 继续上涨 Masuker Shenbu AI 人工智能化 And Oracle saw by the rumor sell the news effect after TikTok-related news. Jaguan in TikTok 相关消息出现买谣言买新闻讯。旅游和消费股则相对疲软。Travel and consumer stocks are being sold off. 旅游和消费股被抛售。Even with rate cuts, worries about slowing consumer spending, sanctions, rising oil prices, and labor costs squeeze profitability. 金刚降息，但担心消费方案只在油价上涨和人工成本提高压缩了盈利。明天 Meta 的大会仍将聚焦 AI 和元宇宙。Meta's annual tech conference tomorrow will highlight AI and the metaverse. Meta 明天的科技大会将聚焦 AI 和元宇宙。Zuckerberg will unveil AI glasses, extending the narrative. 扎克伯格将发布 AI 引擎，继续讲述 AI 故事。加密货币相关股票也在上涨，值得关注。Crypto concept stocks are rising. 加密货币相关股票上涨。Figure is performing strongly among new listings, proving its fundamentals are solid for the rate cut cycle. Figure 在新股中表现强劲，显示其基本面在降息周期中稳健。今天的市场故事就到这里，让我们一起期待明天的美联储利率决议吧。So that's today's market story. 今天的市场故事就到这里。Let's keep an eye on tomorrow's Fed decision. 让我们关注明天的美联储决议 which will set the tone for the next market moves. 这将影响未来市场的走向。这就是今天用中英文双语来分享的故事，希望你们喜欢。给我一点鼓励，请订阅这个频道。我是马当路，谢谢你们的观看。And that's the story for today.